POPS Advisor is a great way to practice and prepare for your presentations. Let's take a look at how to get started using the Advisor tool. Start by going to the speech that you're going to be practicing for. Expand that down and click on Advisor. From here, you'll see how many practice sessions you have remaining for this speech. You can always add additional practice sessions as you start to practice more and more. Hit Continue. From here is where you'll put the time parameters for your presentation. So let's say this speech is a 4 to 6 minute presentation. Then hit Continue. From here, we've got Upload selected. We'll hit Continue and then hit Choose File to upload the speech video. Go in here, open the video, and hit Continue. You'll see a preview of your speech recording, and at this point you can edit the start and end time of the recording that you would like to submit for review. Once you're happy with the start and end time, go ahead and click Continue. You'll be able to review the edited video here one more time. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit Send to POPS Advisor. At this point, you'll see Analysis in Progress. Check back soon. So what's going on right now is Advisor is in real time watching your speech and analyzing all the different aspects of it and looking on what it can recommend you in order to improve for your next practice and eventually your actual speech or presentation. You can go ahead and review your practice session here in the Video Recording tab. Once your feedback is ready, you'll see that Advisor provides a lot of different types of feedback. So let's take a look at what's going on. In the Recommendations tab, you'll see you receive 5 different categories of feedback for your overall, introduction, delivery, body, and conclusion. You'll see an overall score or rating, as well as a visual representation of how well you did, and then a recommendation on how you can improve for the next time. As you're looking at these recommendations, it's always a good idea to watch your practice session in order to see where these improvements could take place. The next tab you'll see is body movement. In this tab, you'll see a visual representation of your body movement as a heat map. So a heat map will show you, depending on the size and color of the different circles you'll see on the different parts of the body, how much you moved that part of the body. So this person, all of the circles are fairly small because not a lot of movement took place, but the left eye and ear here seems like it has more movement, so they probably looked more to their left, and their right hand moved more so than the left. You can learn more about what these movements and circles represent, as well as read about movement and eye contact here by clicking that Learn More button. You can also click Go to Chapter to read more about any of these sections in the POPS Open Text. The last tab you'll find is the Analysis tab. This shows the analytical feedback for your speech. You'll see the presentation length in time and in words, as well as how many words per minute you spoke, so how fast you spoke. You'll also see how much you used vocal fillers. So this could be things like you know, like, so, any of these words that we tend to just throw into sentences and in between sentences to take up time, and maybe these result from a lack of preparedness. So the more you practice, the more this number should go down. Once you're able to review the entire practice session, you can always start a new session and go through the same process. And remember, the more you practice, the better you're going to get. And as you practice more and more, you can review your different sessions and see your improvement over time by clicking this drop down and selecting between your practice sessions.